to applaud because that's mean, but that kind of helps us.
Salam, bitch.
Salam, gay boy.
It's all over. Oh, mate, Chelsea.
Oh, Chelsea. It's all over. So I don't want to say it's all over because remember Bayern Munich last year? I was tweeting being like, this is too easy. And when they do, they go and beat us.
That's not a booking.
Iron problem.
That is not a booking.
It was a foul, but... Hello, Rose. Of course I'll marry you. Why would you want me to sing, Sam? I'm terrible singer. Say my name, please. Beth Ashton. So many tweets. Mental.
So many tweets at one time.
Let's get married in Vegas. Daniela Dixon Cave. Dan should sing on the new album. Probably not.
His highs have got a weird aftertaste.
Yeah, I spoke to him earlier. Katy Perry or Hayley Williams? Someone's asking. Dan and Josh, Katy Perry or Hayley Williams?
What for? In what manner?
What for? Best friends or?
Oh, best friends? Do you like Katy Perry?
She's a sweetheart. I definitely wouldn't kick her out.
Smash her.
Smash her.
I got off you in a lot of trouble, that phrase. When were you next to the UK and what are your opinions on Scotland? I love Scotland. Dan
I love it.
also loves Scotland.
Love married shows in Scotland. Glasgow is a bit of a...
Bit jakey. Certain areas are. But it shows are sick though.
shows are amazing. One of the best places to go.
When it comes to spend that. Come to Canada. Yeah, buddy.
Consider all the books. Oh, that's kind of Welsh, actually. A boot. Don't reply.